Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Lenovo Droplet True Wireless Earbuds. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. You can see how it comes packaged to you right here in a very nice and simple retail box. These earbuds are Bluetooth 5.0, IPX5 rated, USB Type-C connection. They get 4 hours of battery life or up to 10 hours total with the included charging case. And they're super lightweight, 1.27 ounces in weight. Now let's go ahead, let's open them up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have your quick start guide right here going through all the product features for you. It's double-sided as well. You can see the backside with additional product information. Then you can see the included charging cable right here, USB Type-C to USB Type-A end. Then we have additional earbud tips. We'll have 3 sizes total, basically a small, medium, and large. Here's the charging case with the Lenovo logo and branding on it. Our indicator light at the bottom too. Here it is from that side. Here it is from the other side. Here's the back side with the USB Type-C charging port. Here it is from the bottom. Now we can go ahead, we can open the case. You're gonna slide it to the left to reveal the earbuds. We have our left and right earbud right there. We can go ahead, we can take them out of the case. You can see the charging contacts right there. We can look at the earbuds now in more detail. So check them out right here. They're identical to each other. You can see the charging contacts. Look at them from all different sides. Angles right there. Nice black and gray color scheme going on. You can see the indicator light right there flashing. Again, clearly marked for you left and right as well too in case you get goofed up. But they look really nice. I like the form factor of them. Very tiny and very lightweight. Now let's go over how to actually use the earbuds and their controls. The Lenovo earbuds feature touch control panels on both the left and the right earbuds. The controls are very intuitive, simple, and straightforward. To play or pause the song, double tap either earbud. To go to the previous song, press and hold the left earbud for 2 seconds. To go to the next song, press and hold the right earbud for 2 seconds. To pick up or hang up a phone call, double tap either earbud. To reject a call, press and hold either earbud for 2 seconds. If you want to activate voice assistance, triple tap either earbud. If the Bluetooth is disconnected and you want to enter into pairing mode, tap the touch panel 7 times on either earbud. When the earbuds are not in the box, charging, and you want to turn them on or off, press and hold either earbud for 5 seconds to turn on, and press and hold either earbud for 8 seconds to turn off. That's your controls for the Lenovo True Wireless Earbuds. Now let's go ahead, let's try them out. So first things first, I got the earbuds in my ears right now, took them right out of the case, put them right into my ear, and they fit great. And I'm really happy with how they look. Very nice, very comfortable too. They're so lightweight. Not gonna lie, I see why they advertise that feature with these earbuds. They're very lightweight and very comfortable to wear in my ear. So I like how they look. They're pretty discreet, right? They're not too flashy. They're not gonna stick out. They're not gonna draw a bunch of attention to you while you're wearing these earbuds. They just fit right in nice and snug, kind of flush with your ear with their design. So far with the fit, first impressions, no issues to report back to you guys. Now we can do our shake test. So I'm gonna shake, shake, shake. That always hurts my head and my neck. I don't recommend doing that, but you can see they didn't budge at all. So if you're gonna be wearing these to work out, you're not gonna have any issues with them falling out of your ears or anything like that. It's great to have wireless earbuds. You don't have to worry about messing with the wire. It's getting sweaty, that sort of thing. They just go right in your ear and you're all set and ready to go to continue with your workout, go on your run, that sort of thing. Now let's work on connecting to them. So we took them out, they powered on automatically. Now we have our Bluetooth device right here where we can look to pair a new device. So here we go. Lenovo SE-631 TWC is what showed up. And I'm gonna select that right here. And now we've entered into pairing. So give it access. Let's pair. There we go. Just connected. So right out of the box, you can see we're connected to the earbuds. 60% battery left. Now let's go ahead. Let me stream some music, watch some videos through our device to see how everything sounds. So I just streamed back a bunch of music from Spotify using the earbuds and my phone right here. I also watched a bunch of video too to check for the audio to make sure everything was synced up properly. There were no delays, lags, or anything like that. and I didn't have any issues at all. This does have a Bluetooth 5.0 connection, but keep in mind that is backwards compatible with any other Bluetooth version. Now it's time for my favorite test where you guys can listen for yourself to hear how they sound. So I got the binaural microphone all set up and ready to go with the earbuds in both ears. This is going to replicate the sound as if you guys were here with me listening in the studio. The song we're playing is Species by Diamond Ortiz. Let's go ahead, let's fire it up so you can give it a listen. All right, now it's time for our mic test.
Here is your raw mic audio test coming out of the Lenovo True Wireless Earbuds. This is how everything's going to sound if you're going to use this to make and take phone calls. First off, let me slide this around on the table, just make some background noise here to see how sensitive the microphone is and what it can pick up. Now let's clap a little bit too. You can get a sample and feel for different noises and how the mic's going to handle everything right there. Just clap really loud. Now for fun, let me cover both ears. I have both ears covered right now. We're going to keep talking. I'm going to remove one of my hands and we're going to keep talking. I'm going to cover it again. We're going to move the other side right here. You guys can hear how it sounds. This is your raw mic sample of a Lenovo True Wireless Earbud.
So we tested out the audio, we tested out the microphone. Now it's time to test out the IPX5 rating. If your device is rated for IPX5, that means that it's going to be rated against low pressure jets of water. What this means for us, the average consumer, is you can sweat and get these wet and you won't have any issues. So I currently have them playing a song right now on Spotify and they're working great. Now I got my spray bottle right here. We're going to replicate those low pressure jets of water. So you can see, we're going to rotate them around, spray them again. Do it one more time. There we go. So they're pretty wet. I'd say they're dripping wet, soaking wet right here. Let's dry them off now that we got them wet. And then let's see if they're still playing music for us. All right, here we go. All right, let me make sure both are still working. We got sound in that one. Yep, and in the other one. So they work great. If you're gonna wear these to work out and you're a pretty sweaty person, you're not gonna have to worry about ruining them with your sweat or anything like that. I don't recommend taking these in the shower or swimming with these, but again, just for those light jets of water, if you're working out and you're really sweaty, you don't have to worry about ruining your earbuds. Really quickly, in case you lost your quick start guide and you're having trouble only hearing sound out of one earbud, follow these steps to reconnect and repair everything. So first thing you have to do is turn off Bluetooth on your mobile device and insert both earbuds into the charging case. Give them a couple of seconds, maybe a minute or two, let them sit and chill out in the charging case for a couple minutes. Then remove one earbud from the charging case, tap the touch panel 7 times to enter pairing mode. Earbud light will flash rapidly red and white. Then tap the touch panel 6 times to reset pairing. Earbud light will flash white 3 times, then shut off. Then place the earbud into the charging case. Repeat steps 2 to 4 for the second earbud, so do the same thing again. Then remove both earbuds from the charging case and the earbuds will be paired automatically within 3 seconds. Then you can reconnect, repair with your mobile device. So keep that in mind, guys. If you're having any issues only getting sound or they're connected just one at a time, follow those steps and you'll be all set with a nice reset and repair and you're ready to continue using your earbuds. So let me share with you guys my final thoughts after using the Lenovo True Wireless Earbuds. In regards to hardware and build quality, I'm impressed. Everything works and functions as you would expect. They are very lightweight. I review a lot of earbuds and I gotta say, these might be some of the lightest earbuds I've ever reviewed. If that's important to you, then you definitely wanna check these out. You still get decent battery life too, right? So if they're trying to cut weight, they're gonna reduce the battery size and capacity, but we still get 4 hours or up to 10 hours with the charging case. So that's definitely good enough. Also, they include USB Type-C, which is awesome. I'm glad they've adopted that standard. But I do think they missed out on the opportunity to include wireless charging with this case. That would be a fantastic feature for them to add in the future. Also, the earbuds are touch control. I'm old school. I like physical buttons instead because I tend to mess with my head and ears and touch my face all the time. So I end up, bumping them on accident and doing something I don't want. But if you like touch controls, touch panels, you'll be happy with how responsive these are. Now, let's talk about audio quality, sound quality, guys. This can be so subjective. So I'm just going to say a couple of generic things and defer to you guys to go back to the binaural mic sample section of this video to make the best decision for your needs. So they sound good enough, definitely for budget earbuds. You would be happy with the audio quality. The basses are really good. I'd say that's where they probably focus the most on. So if you like a lot of hip hop, rap, that sort of thing, heavy bass in your songs, you'll appreciate the listening experience with these earbuds. I want to say from my own ears and my own personal preference, I would like to see the mids be a little bit fuller. That tends to be my typical complaint for just about every earbud I listen to. I really want the mids to be full and vibrant. And a lot of times they tend to be a little bit more muffled and distant. But again, that's my own personal opinion. Mic quality is good enough too. Obviously, I'd like to see that improved in the future. But again, for budget earbuds that are made to be listened to, it's nice they have a microphone and that you could make and take phone calls with it if you want. So overall, a solid choice if you're in the market for budget earbuds. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.